Kimya Glasgow is a luxury lifestyle brand. Our tagline is look good, feel good, do good. So besides looking stylish, it's also about the way the fabric feels on your skin. And of course, because we try to work with sustainable fibers, our style is classic Caribbean for modern living. With the launch of our fragrance, Kimya Glasgow Vanilla Orchid, we become the first fashion brand to have its own signature fragrance in the entire Caribbean. So that's something that we're extremely proud of. We needed to get a scent that reflected our brand, that classic Caribbean feel for the modern consumer. It is made of vanilla scent. We also get warmth from ambergris, but it also has light fruity notes, berry and pear as well. We collaborated to create this fragrance with a much loved brand in Martinique called Parfum des Îles. They are extremely knowledgeable in the making of French fragrances, and of course, when you have that kind of supportive partnership, it makes anything possible. The Interreg Tika project, enhancing trade in the Eastern Caribbean, has been one of the most exceptional programs that I've had the honor of being involved in. So they look at each business and each sector and they come up with a plan in terms of expansion and collaborations into the various territories. We've already started with a business immersion in Martinique, and out of that, we're currently filling an order for an amazing boutique in Martinique. We launched our line at the Toisille Casino, which was an amazing experience in Martinique. And we have the upcoming Martinique Fashion Week. There's a lot for us to look forward to in terms of trading opportunities. So I would recommend this program highly to anyone. Our intention really is to be a viable export business from St. Vincent and the Caribbean and beyond.